You know what is the best snack to have? Nothing. In fact, if you observe, what we typically eat as snack is not food at all. Your kurmuras, chakli, biscuit, farsan. I mean, there is no nutritional value to it. It is only to satisfy a taste bud, kill your boredom, or maybe because the Indian homes are always filled with snacks. If you eat three main meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you ideally shouldn't need anything in between because our body needs at least 5 to 6 hours for the food to completely digest, absorb, and assimilate in our stomach. So, guys, give your gut the rest it needs and avoid snacking completely. But if you still can't, then replace your packaged snacks with these.